Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I love curry, and shrimp curry is probably one of the more easier types of curries to make. So today I'm going to be walking you through my spicy shrimp curry recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. The first thing I usually do is season my meat. Today I'm going to be seasoning my shrimp with buffalo chicken seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, MSG, and chili powder. All of my measurements are in the description box below. After I finish marinating my shrimp, I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to start working on my curry mixture. In a small bowl, I'm going to combine some curry powder, turmeric powder, blended up onion and garlic, and some water. Once I'm done giving that a stir, I'm going to move on to actually cooking my shrimp. I've added some oil to my pan, and once it's hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. I'm going to allow it to cook for 1 minute on each side. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add my curry mixture to my shrimp, as well as my celery, onions, tomatoes, chili peppers, and green onions. After giving that a stir so all the ingredients can marry together, I'm going to cover my pot for just 2 minutes. At this point, I'm now ready to add my water. The water creates that gravy that we all want in a curry, so I've added 1 cup of hot water because I love lots of gravy in my curry. You also want to make sure that you are adding hot water because you want to maintain the temperature that you are cooking at. At this point, you can also taste your curry to see how it tastes and if you want to add any more spices. After tasting mine, it was perfect, so I'm just going to cover my pot and continue to allow it to cook for about 4 minutes. At this point, my curry is all done and it looks great and it also tastes delicious and has an amazing spice to it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and plate it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and don't be afraid to change up the measurements to suit your taste buds. As you can see, this curry was very easy to make and I'm sure you'll impress a lot of people if you give it a try. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and leave all of your comments down below. Thanks for watching.